Hello guys, welcome to the channel. It's your boy Joe Pillar, and right now I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can drive traffic to your affiliate link and also to your website. If you are a blogger, you can what I'm going to show you right now is going to work for you also. And if you are an affiliate marketer, this is going to work for you and you are going to be generating a lot of traffic, and this is absolutely free. Although you can run ads with them, but the ones I'm going to show you is absolutely free. You can use it wherever you are, whichever affiliate product you are promoting or whichever website you are controlling. So be sure to pay very close attention to this video, because this video is a value pack video. So you are going to be getting a lot of value in this video, and at the end of this video I'm going to be giving you a free bonus in which you can go and use and generate traffic. I'm going to be giving you a bonus, and I'm going to be leaving it in the first link in the description below. So be sure to pay very close attention. And if you are new to the channel, my name is Joe Pillar, and this channel is basically on how to make money online. If you are looking forward to make money online, then this channel is absolutely for you. So be sure to pay close attention, subscribe to the channel, and let's get started. So guys, the first website that we are going to be talking about is YouTube right there. YouTube is very powerful and is getting tons of millions of traffic per month. So let's check the statistics of YouTube right here. Let's go to similarweb.com and check its statistics and see how many visitors this website is getting in a month. And here is it. As you can see, YouTube is the second largest website in the whole world, both in the United States and in the whole world. The second largest. As you can see, YouTube is getting 34.63 billion visitors per month. As you can see, this website is very powerful. Just go around the YouTube, go into YouTube, make video, create a channel, make video about the product you are promoting, or make video on the post you are posting into your website, and you are going to be getting a lot of visitors. Just be consistent, make video consistently, and you are going to be getting traffic to your affiliate link and also to your website. So the second website that we are going to be talking about is Pinterest. Pinterest is also a very powerful website that is getting billions of traffic per month. Billions of traffic. I also just get started with Pinterest. I just start using Pinterest. I say you can also start growing your website and also your affiliate career with this particular website right here. You can use it to get a lot of traffic. Let's also check the amount of traffic this website is getting. So here is the website right here. YouTube. Pinterest is getting 1.32 billion visitors per month. So guys, be sure to use this particular website right here. Just go into Pinterest, create a Pinterest account, and start creating pins on your blog or on the niche you are promoting. So this Pinterest right here, you can run ads within them. You can run ads by opening a business account. If you click on ads right here, you can see create ads, overview, reporting. If you create ads, then you are going to be getting a lot of traffic. And if you want to create pin, just click on create right here and click on create pin, and it's going to take you to the page in which you are going to create pin. And the pin that used to rank on Pinterest are the animated pins. You can make and you can also make short video and post it in this particular website right here. You are going to be getting a lot of traffic. You can post video by using you can create video by using Canva. You can create video by using Canva, and you are going to be getting a lot of traffic. So the third website is Quora is a very powerful website also. Let's check the statistics before we continue talking about it. Quora.com. So Quora is the 67th in United States, 91 in the whole world. So as you can see, Quora is getting about 578.87 million visitors per month. This website is very powerful, and Quora is a question and answer website. The question and answer website. You just go there, ask question, and people will answer you. And if you have a question, post it there, and you are going to be getting answer. If you click on here, that means you want to ask a question. But if you want to search for people that have already asked question, so you just have to come here. Then assuming I'm looking for a way to promote my affiliate link, and I knew nothing about it, and I want to ask, how can I promote my affiliate link? Now I will just be like, how can I get traffic to my affiliate link? Then it's going to load up bunch of questions in which people have asked, and a lot of people have answered it. As you can see, how can I bring traffic to my affiliate link? Let's open this one up. Okay, so you just have to answer all these questions. You don't supposed to be limited to maybe you answer 2 questions, 3 questions, and you will expect people to be coming into your website or clicking to go to your affiliate link. No, it's not done that way. You just have to answer lots of questions. As you can see, 100 plus people have answered this particular question. And the amazing thing about this particular website is that if you answer this question, Quora is going to notify all those people that have answered this question before that another person have dropped an answer to this particular question. That gives you the the top priority to rank on this particular website and to get traffic to your affiliate link and to your website. So guys, use this website wisely and you are going to be getting a lot of traffic. Let me just recap. The first website that we talked about is YouTube, where we check the statistics. The second one is Pinterest, and the third one is Quora right here. If you are thinking that you don't know how to write article to publish on this particular website, just go to a website called ezenarticle.com. Go to a website called articles.com. ezenarticles.com, there are a lot of article on that website in which you can just copy and paste in your Quora. What I recommend is that there is also a website called article rewriter. articlerewriter.com. This website will enable you to rewrite any article of your own choice. If you go to Google and you copy the article, you can rewrite it with this articlerewriter.com. You can rewrite your article, and once you rewrite it, you are going to be ranking on that website. I will be leaving every link that I talked about in this website below, so be sure to pay attention and use this wisely. So the first website is answers.com. This answers.com also is a very big website and is getting a lot of traffic. Also, it's not competitive like Quora because this website is new and a lot of people haven't known about this website, and a lot of people have been using it also. So be sure to try this out. Answer questions, post question, and answer to your question, and you can also ask question and answer it yourself. so that whenever people answer it, also they will get notified. Answers.com also is a question and answer website where you got to ask questions. As you can see here, ask question and you are going to be getting answer to it. And if you are looking for how to get traffic to your affiliate link, like I did search on Quora right there, you are going to be like, how can I get traffic to my website? Click on send, then it's going to load it up. Okay, as you can see now. Okay, people have not asked that question, then you can be the first to ask it and you can reply to it yourself, and people are going to be clicking on it when they get to search for the same thing. So that's how you can get traffic to your website through this website here. The fourth website we are going to be talking about is Facebook. As you all know that Facebook is also amazing. So let's check the traffic so that you will know how powerful Facebook is. Facebook.com. Okay, Facebook is the third largest website in the whole world. Okay, and also in the US. As you can see, it's getting about 6.12 billion unique visitors per month. So use this Facebook wisely, because they have started some new things now. If you are in the niche of how to make money online, then you search for groups on how to make money online, and you are going to start posting into all those groups, and make sure you did not link them directly to your affiliate if you are promoting an affiliate product. And if you are a website owner, if you are a blogger, then you can link them to your article directly. You can link them to article already published on your website directly, and you are going to be getting a lot of traffic to your affiliate link and to your website. If I'm in the niche of how to make money online, then I'll be like how to make money online. Okay, then once it's loaded up, then you click on group right here. You come here, you click on groups, and it's going to load up a lot of groups. Then you are going to join all these groups, but don't join too much group, because Facebook is very sensitive. They are going to stop you from joining a lot of groups. So this is the fourth website. Okay, this is the fifth website, and the last one is Instagram. Instagram is also a very powerful website. So let's check the traffic so that you know what you are up to, and you know the one that you are going to choose among them, because most people cannot use all those websites at the same time. Okay, here is it. Instagram is the seventh largest website in the United States and fifth largest in the whole world. And as you can see here, Instagram is getting about 6.09 billion visitors per month. So but this website right here is a very awesome and very good website. Just create an account, then start posting. And if you have been wondering how you are going to be getting a lot of followers on this particular platform right here, then make sure you don't do follow for follow, so that you will be targeting a very specific people. If you are in the make money online niche, you cannot go and follow someone in the how to lose weight niche. Or if your blog is all about maybe your blog is about technology, You cannot follow people that you cannot follow influencers. You cannot follow influencers. So be sure to pay attention to this video, because this video is a very, very value packed video, and be sure to subscribe if I'm really giving you value. So if you want to grow your channel, your page on Instagram, look for people that are in your niche, then follow people who follow them. Assuming I make money online niche, I'm gonna be like, search for make money online. Then it's going to load up people that are in that category. Let me click on this first one here. As you can see, this person is having 17,000 followers. 17,000 followers. As you can see, it's having 1,000 plus click and 100 plus like comment. So you look for some people that just post of recent, then you click on their followers and you start following them. Don't follow these people, don't follow these particular people, just follow people that follow them. Follow people that follow them, then you are going to get in followers. And once you followed about 100 people, then once you follow about 1,000 people, then unfollow them again and follow another 1,000 people. So don't make the mistake of following a lot of people consistently. What you can do is that in an hour, just follow 20 people per hour. The second hour, follow 20 people again. The third hour, follow 20 people again, so that this Instagram will not block you, so that it will not stop you from following and from posting. Guys, this is how you can get traffic to your website and to your affiliate link. The bonus that I'm talking about, I'm going to leave it in the description below, so that you can grab it and you can also use it and grow your traffic online. So this is where I'm going to draw the curtain. And be sure to subscribe to the channel, so that whenever I drop another video, YouTube will notify you that this guy has dropped a new video. So take care.